Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath. Markets have crashed. Friday there was mayhem, bloodbath. Headlines came in all the newspapers, TV programs that there is a crash in the market. Let me explain with the help of the headlines of some of the newspapers. Investors lose rupees 1.4 lakh crore as Sensex falls. Sensex and Nifty crash on Friday. This is what was written in Economic Times. Common investors and innocent investors who have been investing for the first time in market, some few thousands or lakhs, they think that markets have crashed. There is no question of any improvement in the future. It is time to commit suicide. Wrong information. So I am going to explain everything in detail. For example, look at this chart. This is a chart and the story of only 1 week of the Nifty journey. 8th March 2021, Monday, plus 18 points, Nifty. 9th March, Tuesday, plus 142 points. 10th March, Wednesday, plus 76 points. 11th was Mahashivaratri holiday. 12th March, Friday, minus 144 points. So, but if you look at the net movement in the whole of the week, plus 92 points. Now coming to Sensex, 8th March Monday, plus 36 points. 9th March Tuesday, plus 584 points. 10th March Wednesday, plus 254 points. 12th March, there is a crash. I'm not using the word crash because already there is a lot of appreciation. Let me say 12th March Friday, there is a market correction, minus 487 points. Net movement in this week, plus 387 points. When you read this heading, investors lose rupees 1.4 lakh crore as Sensex falls, you don't get an idea that the whole week the movement was positive. There was a small aberration on Friday. People think otherwise. People don't think positive. Most of the time they look at the negative news faster. Sometimes in small headlines it may say investors have gained 3 lakh crores in the last 1 month. That nobody reads because they are only interested in negative news. One more interesting thing, when we are making videos of the negative things, highlighting on the crash, etc., more number of people see that video rather than when we are putting some positive news. This is our experience too. That's why more negative people are around, less positive people are there in the market. My suggestion, please watch carefully the next few slides. This is the graphic description of the last 1 week. Look at this, 8th March, it went up continuously for 3 days and then closed at this particular level, and 12th March, because of the particular reasons which I'm going to mention to you right now, fell down by few points, and this is the gap for the last 1 week. That means this is the positive gain in the last 1 week. Now coming to the details. All-time high level Nifty 15,431, current level 15,030, percentage away from the all-time high minus 2.59%, percentage fall on 12th March is approximately 1%. That means from this level, if Nifty can appreciate by 2.59%, then the Nifty reaches the all-time high. That's a wonderful thing. And 2.59%, very often we have seen the Nifty has covered up in 1 day. Now coming to Sensex, the current level 50,792 and then all-time high 52,516, percentage away from all-time high minus 3.28%, percentage fall on 12th March less than 1%. Again, very easy for Sensex to climb that level probably in 1 or 2 days. Nobody thinks of that. Everybody thinks of the blood bath. Nobody thinks of the laddu or the gulab jamun you got in the stock market. What are the major reasons for the fall in markets? First one is Maharashtra lockdown news. COVID cases increasing in different parts of Maharashtra caused fear of another lockdown. Many districts such as Nagpur, Aurangabad have announced lockdowns. The second reason, weak global markets. Few Asian markets were weak on Friday. Even European markets in the afternoon were slightly weak. During the Indian market hours, this impacted the crash. Third one, general profit booking. Since the market had rallied during the last 3 days, investors must have decided to do some profit booking on Friday. Profit booking means the stocks have gone higher, so they sell it at that level, book the profits, keep it with them. Now they take fresh positions in market as the market goes in a particular direction. Fourth one is rising US bond yields. Returns from US bonds have gone from 1.45% to around 1.63% currently, and hence some foreign institutional investors would have decided to sell and invest in US bonds to preserve the profits. So what happens is when the markets in India are improving, the foreign institutional investors sell them, make some profits, book some profits, take the money to US, put it in the bonds, and try to get that profit of 1.45 to 1.63, and again book the profits and come back to India after some more time. When large number of shares are being sold by FIIs, then what happens is the supply is more, demand is less, and hence the stocks will go down, the prices will go down. This is the interesting news of the top losers on 12th March Friday. Bajaj Auto lost minus 3.13% and closed at 3,746. Hindalco lost 2.98%, closed at 330. SBI Life Insurance lost 2.82%, closed at 914. HDFC Life lost 2.81% and closed at 711 points. Maruti Suzuki lost 2.42% and closed at 7,096 points. Now, when I talked about losers, I must speak about the gainers on 12th March Friday. BPCL gained 2.7%, closed at 458. IOC gained 2.48, closed at 101. Power Grid Corporation gained 2.28 and closed at 220. JSW Steel 1.15% gain, 415 it closed. Titan closed at 1483 after gaining 0.76%. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe and press the bell icon. Large number of people are complaining they are not getting the notification. You should press the bell icon and also press all in the section of the bell icon. Then you will get the notification directly into your mobile next time when the videos are being released. The video is good, press like button. The video is good, the comment box you type G, that means good, so that we will have a feeling that people are finding it useful and will be enthused and motivated to do more videos for you in the future. All these videos are research oriented, takes a lot of our time. A small appreciation from your side goes a long way in improving our motivation levels. And my dear friends, if the video is good, send it to a large number of your friends so that they too will benefit from the information. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.